Under How would you like your product mailed, choose Mail to List. Select postage type. Go to Upload your CSV file of mailing addresses and click Free Mailing List Search to open the Radius Mailing List tool. Type the central address where you'd like to target your mailing list. On the left, set the number of homes and how many homes to include. Scroll to the bottom of the filters and in the text box, type in the specific street names. Once the street names are entered, click Show Filtered Results. When you are satisfied with your choices, click Get Final List.